Now this is how you can turn off the location of the AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So the only location basically that you can be using is through the Find My app, and that means that your AirPods Max are going to be located on a map with all of your other devices, and it's just like a security feature which allows you to track your devices on a map and see where exactly they happen to be. But if you want to turn it off, you need to open up the Find My app, then click the Devices tab at the bottom and just find and locate the AirPods Max from the list right there. And at the bottom, you should be able to find the option to just simply disconnect it or remove it from the map, from the location, and therefore you will make them disappear from the map entirely. And that basically just means that you have removed them, right? So just entirely at the bottom, you can find like the remove this device or even some other options if you want to, but removing this device will just turn off the location entirely. And yeah, that's basically how it kind of works. This will stop the tracking and Find My access, and it is great if you plan to sell or give the AirPods away. You can also you should also reset them if you know trying to or intend to doing that. But that's basically how it kind of works, right? That's how you can turn off the location. Let me know below in the comments if there are more questions you might have or some other things you are curious about. Let me know about that in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future.